Hi everyone. I wanted to show you we've decided to go a bit healthy, and we decided to try and order these mailboxes that you see everywhere now. We will start with Gusto. So it will be a few weeks of this. You obviously find the recipes that you want online and decide what meals you want. We went for 4 dinners for the week. This week, the box just came in. I want to show you guys from the very start. Yeah. So the box looks like this. Check it out. There it is. It's all packed, as you can see. I ordered, if I remember, chicken curry, some chicken fajitas, which I believe that they're these. I ordered again some burgers with avocado and egg. This is all the condiments they give you. Look, turmeric and tomato paste, and they give you a bit of, I think it's ginger. They give you cubes. They give you mustard ketchup. Don't know, they give you everything you need basically. Oregano, sage. So all the stuff you need. Masala to make your recipes. Cumin. Oh, we even got some dried chili flakes with that. Right, so all this box is filled with yummy stuff. They even give me a sorry, clove of garlic. Yeah, nice soy sauce, balsamic vinegar. I'm impressed. Quite nice. Cider vinegar. Wow. Okay. So this is all the ingredients they give you in a little bag. Don't know. We ordered. Oh, we have a pizza. One of the meals is pizza. So this is the pizza bread they give you. Oh, they even give me a wooden spoon. Oh, that's lovely. Look at that. Oh, that looks amazing. That must be a gift because we didn't order that. Beautiful. Thank you. And then you got your salad, tomatoes. I told you we got the burger. One night we're going to have a burger meal. So that's the burger. Rice, onion, potatoes. Got 2 eggs. It's just for that burger meal. Pepper, salad, a couple of raisins, sultana, sorry. Gluten-free breadcrumbs, green onion, and fried onions. Oh, that's nice. And these are the recipes that we ordered. So I ordered the chicken fajita, I ordered the pork and egg burger, and then chicken curry and the chorizo pizza. So all the recipes are here. You obviously keep these for future reference if you want to cook your own from scratch. And I assume that this big bag here has all the meat. I'm going to open it up and we're going to see. It comes wrapped in this, so this is supposed to keep it nice and cool. And the meat is here. So packed in ice, yeah. So there you go. The pork mince. And you got the chicken fillet. And you got a bit of cheddar cheese, the chicken breast, clotted cream as well. 2 of those. Bit of yogurt. Okay, that's a lot of stuff in here, guys. And then you get the cooking chorizo. Yum. Oh, and mozzarella, my favorite. Right. So this is all. So that's the box for 4 meals for 2 people, and it costs us literally £14. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff here. And I'm gonna cook pork burgers tonight. I'm actually loving this. I'm going to keep this in my refrigerator. Very nice idea. And it works. Yeah, so I'm quite happy. I'm very impressed with this, with the gift. Thank you so much, Gusto. We will definitely order again. We are trying to do this every week now. So we will definitely order again. Feel free, guys. We're going to put a link on our profile so you can check it out. You get 50% off of your 2 boxes. Yeah, I'm quite impressed. Quite impressed, and I can't wait to taste it. I'll show you guys everything. How to prepare and all. I mean, this is the easiest way to do. Step by step. Come on, anyone can do this. Yeah, I'm very impressed. So can't wait to start cooking tonight and enjoy the dinners. That was all for now, guys. Yum gusto. So yeah, happy, very happy. Thank you again for watching. We'll drop the link below so you guys can have a look for yourselves, and why not start eating a bit healthier and a bit quick dinners to make as well. So yeah, happy, very happy. So see you guys soon. Bye for now.